Hi there, students. To pursue. Okay, the literal meaning of this is to try to catch somebody or something, to run after them and try and catch them. So the police pursued the criminal. Yeah, there was a car chase, a pursuit scene. Pursuit, the noun, trivial pursuit. Okay, so to pursue, to run after in order to try and catch, to pursue a vehicle, to pursue an animal, to pursue a person. Okay, and then we use this much more metaphorically. Okay, to pursue. So you could pursue an activity, you could pursue an interest. Yeah, you do this activity, you're engaged in it. So he decided to pursue a career in the law. Yeah, he's being pursued by the police. You could pursue a particular aim or result. So he's in pursuit of the truth, in pursuit of happiness. Yeah. It's impossible to pursue this legal case because we don't have enough evidence. So to try for something, to try to get to follow on with it. You could pursue a particular topic. You could try to find out more about it. So let's pursue this matter and see if we can get to the bottom of it, to carry on with it, to continue with it, to keep on. I know they haven't agreed to your request, but keep pursuing it and they will. Yeah, I'm sorry, madam, I don't know what's happened to your complaint, but I will pursue it to find out what has happened. And this is really the idea of to pursue, to follow someone or try to catch them. So he was pursued by a helicopter. To try very hard to do something, to pursue a career, to pursue information about a subject, to pursue a relationship. He's been pursuing Susan for 3 months and she just can't stand him. Okay, so this pursuit, remember the pursuit, a trivial pursuit. That trivial pursuit here is talking about a pastime. So the police pursue a subject. You could pursue a business venture. You could pursue your career vocation. Yeah, you could pursue your investigation into something. And you could also pursue it vigorously, strongly, with strength. To pursue. I think the car chase, the police pursued him, 5 informality, use anywhere. I think to pursue a career, to pursue the truth, this is a little bit more formal. I'd go up to 6.5. I don't think I would use these meanings in an informal conversation, but a semi-formal conversation and above would be fine. And then as to origin, from Latin, pro sequor. Sequor or sequi, to follow, yeah, and pro, through, so to follow through. So to pursue, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Pursue.